Hey, it's Ivan. Let me show you how quickly you can translate any text to a chosen language with a right click. So for this, we're going to use Bardeen extension and we're going to pin this shared playbook. Once you pin it into your application, you can activate it from here just by choosing the language that you want to translate your text to. I'm going to select Spanish and I'm going to activate this. Now, whenever you're on the web and you're maybe checking an article or you're browsing social media, you can just go select a text and I'm going to right click and translate. Perfect. This gets me a browser notification with my translation, and whenever I click on it, if I want to check the full text, I have a Google search for this. So let me do another example. Let's say I don't know what upstart tech companies mean. I'm going to right click and translate this. All right. So this is a powerful and very simple automation you can build with Bardeen that will save you a couple seconds, but will keep you from disrupting your flow whenever you're reading articles or wherever you're browsing the web.